Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, is a crochet hair install video. Today's crochet hair that I'm installing is that Rasta Free Lake Wave hair, and I have it in the color 1B, and this hair is 18 inches. Now this is an install video. You guys know I typically do reviews, but I have decided I'm going to start doing more installs so you can actually see me install the hair. But I pride myself on my reviews because I don't want to just show you how to install a hair. I want you guys to know if the hair actually works. It doesn't matter if you install a hair one way. This is going to look good after 5 weeks. That's something y'all want to know, and that's something I like to provide for you guys, so you don't want to miss, and you want to stay tuned to make sure that you watch that review. But with this install, you guys see my current braid pattern. My hair is already braided down. As you can see, I have 9 braids all going straight back, coalescing into a little bun in the back. This is what you guys get from me. It works for me. It gives me the versatility I need. If you want different braid patterns, there are creators on this platform who do some impeccable, versatile braid patterns. That's just not me. And it's important for me to recognize my shortcomings and not portray myself as something that I'm not here on this platform. Now, with this Lake Wave hair, I did buy it. I believe I bought this hair from GMBS Hair because that's the only site that I can buy Rasta Free from. It is a heavily West Coast brand. So you can probably walk into your beauty supply stores in like Arizona, New Mexico, California, Washington State. You can probably walk in there and find this in a beauty supply store. Here in the Carolinas, not so much. Not so much, unfortunately. So bought this online. I want to do a wave. You guys know I probably, in the 5 years that I've had my channel, have done a hair that has wave in it 3 times. 3 times in 5 years? That's no bueno. I'm a curl girl. I'm a curls for days girl, but some of you guys out there are waves for days girls, and that's fine. I want to show and present to you guys wavy hair as well. So in today's video, buckle up. We're going to get into the install of this hair. Hopefully it's easy. I kind of don't like waves because I get scared a little bit. Then I'm going to have to do a lot of knotting for the hair to stay. I always get scared that it's more silky than the curly hair. But nonetheless, regardless, we're going to do this together today on camera. To see more, just keep watching. A closer look at my braid pattern, I do have 9 braids going straight back, all coalescing into this sewn up bun. Now this is one pack of the Rasta Free Lake Wave hair. I do have it in the color 1B. It is 18 inches and I got it from GMBS Hair. Now this is how it comes in its little pack. It does have that little string around it that normally bulk hair has, but don't you worry, the hair is separated out, so it's not one of those you have to come up with the sections on your own. They are already separated for you. I love the feel of this hair. It feels very nice, which I was excited about. And after you remove that silver tie from the hair, this is what you have. And again, like I mentioned, it is already kind of separated for you. So you just pick one and install it. Pick one and install it. Pick one and install it. If you know anything about me, you know in the back I install it like this. So I use these strands. I split it one time when I get to the front because it does just allow for a more natural looking style. So I always start in the back, and I always start where that little bun is because I want that covered first. I just put my crochet needle through, pull the hair through. I'm looping the hair twice, and that is it. That is all I'm doing. I wish there was something more fancy to show you. Again, I've said this in every video. I'm not a big fan of doing the installs, but I will do them for you guys because you find them helpful. All I'm doing is pushing the crochet needle through the braid. I'm putting and attaching the hair to the needle, pulling both the hair and the needle through a little bit. There is a loop that is created. I'm pulling the hair through the loop, which I call knotting the hair, and I'm knotting the hair twice in the back. And this is how far one pack got me. Now doing the sides and the front, I only pulled the hair through once. So I repeat the process, pushing the crochet needle through, attaching the hair, and then pulling both the needle and the hair through. But instead of pulling both ends through, I only pull one strand through, and that is known as the invisible knot method. And for the front, not only do I invisible knot, I also split the hair. So I split the hair and install it the same exact way. I push the crochet needle through the braid, pull both the needle and a little bit of the hair through to create the loop. Then I just pull one strand through to invisible knot the hair. Again, wanted to make sure this video I got super up in camera so no one can say they can't see what I'm doing. Pushing the needle through, pulling one strand through when I'm in the front, and I will repeat this process all throughout the front of my head. So now I am done. This is it. This is the finished look. I am loving this. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot stop feeling myself. I cannot stop looking in the mirror. I keep looking over to my left, looking in the viewfinder. Forgive me if that happens throughout this because I am really loving and digging this look. Now, if you guys saw, I did use 4 packs. I did not even open the 5th pack. I was looking around. I was like, is there any gappage that I see? And you guys look around, look in the back. Let's see. You know, sometimes I turn off the camera and I have to open up the last pack just briefly, but I really feel like I have a very full look with 4 packs, so you might be able to get away with 4 packs. Now, if you want to be, you know, on the safer side, buy that 5th pack. It gives me a little bit of calmness when I have a little extra hair, when I find that little space 2 days in where I was like, oh, did I forget one space? I have that other pack where I could crack it open, but 4 packs were used to achieve this look. Took me the standard time it takes me to install every single hair that I install, about 1 hour, I'd say 20. I started this around noonish. Right now it's getting close to 1:30, so it didn't take me long. Of course, we're gonna add the braiding, and the braiding itself took about the same time, so overall not a super long install in the least bit. Getting up in camera because I get a lot of questions about people wanting to see my hairline. I try to focus a lot on that in the install. I don't know what more people want to see though. Sometimes I'm showing my hairline in my videos and people are like, I don't know if they think I'm doing something different, but this is my hairline. This is the front. This is the sides. You guys saw all throughout. Didn't do anything miraculously different than I do in any of my other looks. But overall, again, the hair says on the package, this is where I got the 18 inches. Right here, if you see right there, it says Lake Wave 18. So that's where I got the length from. But if you guys are looking, looks like 20 or so. Like, this is longer than 18 inches. I don't know. I feel like brands at this point just be slapping lengths on, because I typically know my 12s, my 14s, my 16s, and my 18s, but now I'm feeling like this is super long. I have not cut this hair at all. You guys will see if you continue watching to see my review where and how I decide to cut this hair. If I notice it needs any products, you guys will see that as well. No product, no scissors have hit this hair. I am very interested in seeing how I'm going to be able to maintain this, because you guys know waves are not normally my forte, but I'm going to really try with this hair. I have a trip coming up this upcoming weekend, and so I am excited to take this hair out on the road and see how it actually performs on the road as well. If you guys want to see my review, how this hair holds up in my vlog when I go on my trip, if you want to see all that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss anything I do over here, and make sure that you have that notification bell on so you can be alerted as soon as I upload my review video and subsequent other videos. I might have a maintenance video. You don't know, but you will know if you're subscribed and have that bell on. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at LeaLevon89 so you can keep up with my shenanigans in real time, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.